How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch the most precise bottoms in the stock market. And today I want to talk about a ticker that I traded before and just want to do a recap on VTYX and how I caught the most precise bottom. And this thing has ran well above my alert and it's just been going insane today. I just want to give you guys exactly my opinions on it, my analysis, where we are looking to go, and how to trade these bottom reversals. And if you guys stay long enough, do keep in mind I have a premium Discord of a lot of members where we all look for these bottom fishing bottom plays, and we try to make lots of money on these oversold, undervalued companies and sell them to the chasers. This premium Discord is only $6 a month. I'm going to put it down below into the YouTube comment section below, and you will see all my entries and exits in real time. So, let's talk about this play. What you want to look at is the chart. This thing has just been destroyed. Literally destroyed. So there's no doubt in my mind that this bounce, was probably going to happen eventually. Just took a lot of time. And what I want to show you guys some back testing here. So you have the three bands. The lower band is your buy, the upper is your sell, and the middle is where price has to reflect back to, right? So as you see, when price gets here, it goes back to the blue band. So you're going to have these ups and downs, ups and downs. If price gets above the red band, it sells off pretty rapidly as it cannot sustain that level. That was, all right, all there. So now let's get back to where we are and how I traded this. They had this massive candle go all the way down below the green band. I never trade the first couple candles the minute is a massive move down. This went from a high of $15 down to like low twos, but I do not get into it no matter what it says, because right now the bands are not going to be accurate here because it has to take time to correct to this area. There's just so much things that it's so expanded where it's obviously going to be delayed and it's not going to reflect back to where it was. I'm going to show you guys exactly what my system tells me and how I got into this trade. So it goes all the way down. You ignore the first three candles always. So you look at the fourth candle, and what I see is, wow, it was an extremely RSI low of 10 and a K of 5.48. This is when I got in right here on 11/13/2023, because the KDJ tells me, one, this helps a lot. If you use the KDJ with this system, it shows a 3.91. That is the golden numbers I look for. Is below 5 usually, and the mid threes is just a golden number. I realize this is a biotech, so they're going to be extremely abnormal and very unpredictable. So this is the candle I get in. Unfortunately, I did take this thing for only a 20% gain, as I got in right here. Not even that, actually, probably like 10 to 15%. I accumulated this, and I sold right in this area, and then I think got in back down below here to scalp it some more, and then right in here took the profits. So I actually overall probably like a 30% total gain. But then you can see right in here, price started to go back to the middle band, because like what I said, talked about earlier, price has to go back to the middle band. We just don't know when, but it's a good analogy and an awesome tool to know that price will go back to it within some time. So this was a lot of trading days right in here, and then price decided to go back. I'm out of the trade no matter what if price does this, because then it's like flipping a coin. It could go way up or it could go way down. So right in here, price does make a whole new low from where I initially entered and sold for a lot of gains. And that's what was my worry right in here. It could go back to this green band, and I would have loved it, because then I would have got in another entry and just kept going up with it. But price decided to just go slightly over here and then go back to the blue band and then just freaking rally. But what I wanted you guys to know is, one, you want to get in when, one, the price is near the green band or lower it, and you want to coincide that with the KDJ to get an accurate signal. You never just use one indicator. You want to use two, at least two, to coincide to match what is good. And then so you don't want false signals, right? And these are daily candles, so we're looking at higher time frames to give us a better signal too. So now I talked about the green band. Now the red band is getting hit majorly, and you can see why price has a long upper wick. It cannot sustain this area in here, so it's going to go get shorted drastically right in here. So price makes this massive rally and it gets shorted a lot from this top, but still made a 68% gain for the day just off of that. So it was a nice massive gain. And also, if you look at the weekly candle too, you can see right here the weekly actually to a T has corrected to the middle band. The weekly is going to take a long time to get to the middle band. We don't really go by it, but it's just nice to say, okay, the weekly did what it needed to do, and the daily did what it needed to do over here. It's ready to do what it wants now. But yeah, this was honestly one of those trades like, man, I saw it running massive. I was like, wow, I got in that trade way back in the day, way back in November last year. Made a lot, nice gains added up. Obviously, did not get this big massive run. But with this system, I have made well over 100% gainers, totaling up with these small add-ons every now and then. So it's totally fine because getting 20% and then the next week, it adds up. 20, 20, 20, 20. Over the month, you're making well over 100% gains total on your portfolio, and who would complain on that? But that's how I would trade this. Biotechs are also one of the hardest trades, as they do have one that some drug could fail, or you never know what could happen. And as you can see right in here, it just goes immediately down, and a lot of eyes were on it, and some probably got out right out here at the very beginning. As you can see, if you got out right at the very top of this candle, you would have been bag holding for a very, very long time, and you wouldn't make profit till this day right here. That's not what you want, and you probably stop lost and got out. So you never want to trade that. Get in right in here, sold this right in here, get in right in here, and you can sell it where I did right in here, or you're lucky enough it went to that blue band. But you never know the future, guys. Always take the profit when it gets to you guys, because it can always diminish. So I am a firm believer in taking the profit when you're green, and if it hits your trading target, then you take it. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, these are the type of plays I'm looking for. Obviously, it's just nice to see that these things have potential to make those massive runs, and it's just nice to see it. And it was a great day, especially on a big red day. It did that. That was awesome. Like I said, though, if you want to join the premium Discord, it is only at a low time cost for $6 a month, and that is extremely cheap compared to a lot of other Discords that are charging hundreds of bucks, and they just give you a watch list and they tell you to buy random companies, and one of them is about to make a 100% move. But in this unique Discord, I give you exactly my trade alerts with my entry and my exit, and I tell you exactly when I enter, and I tell you exactly how to accumulate for the best effectiveness to make massive gains. And then the setup video, if you want to know exactly where to buy, where's your potential target, and honestly, right in here, if you're holding shares, if you want to know, okay, should I be holding through this red band? No, if it gets above this, I should not be holding at all. And so stuff like that, you can use it either way, when to buy your potential target and when to sell. And it's just nice to have another toolbox in defining reversals. So I have a setup video that goes in more in depth of how to not get caught into the rare situations, right? So yeah, this was a great video. I'd love to see VTYX just explode like that, especially since I learned it way back in the day. And then it just shows that a lot of these plays had that potential to do that. And that was just really nice to see. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I am going to post the Discord down below into the YouTube comments. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and these are the best trades. I guarantee it. Spent a lot of time researching and finding a lot of tickers. As you can see, this is the premium Discord. We have a lot of members. You can ask anybody how they feel about it. It's really nice. And then also, if you give a like, subscribe, comment to me, anything about VTYX, your average, how much you gained, or whatever. Any of that type of that helps the algorithm. Share it to other retail traders or people looking for reversals and how to catch bottoms and tops. And that's what this channel's about. And share the love, because that right there will spread it out with the algorithm, any type of engagement. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And let's make some money. And I'll see you in the Discord for trading tomorrow. Good luck, everyone. Peace out.